Hey, welcome back to the Handlebar Garden.
How's it going?
Today we're going to do an install.
Got these lights here. You see here, turn signals. They go here on the road glide. So we're going to attempt to install these real quick. I don't know about quick, but we'll get it done and see what you think. Stay tuned. All right, this is a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Taking these two off. It's actually pretty simple. All we've got to do is take the windshield off and that top part of that dash. It all pops off pretty simple. I'll go over here. I'm just kind of getting these loosened up. My wife must have tightened that one, I can tell you that. You know, there's probably dirt or bug guts in it or something. Mama told her there'd be days like this.
Stay tuned for a how-to.
Man, I'm telling you.
Maybe we need a blooper reel.
We might. I'll end up stripping that before this is over, probably. Man, oh man, oh man. We'll see. It's turning. Hey, I'll be doing some editing on that, dude. Golly, it's tighter than a flitter, buddy. Can't believe how tight that is. All right. Sometimes things are hard to get apart, and it's been a while since there's a little bit of rust. That's probably what gave me that little fit right there. So always be ready and be prepared. You know, the main thing on things like that is don't panic. If you panic, you get in a rush, you get in a hurry. If you notice, I pecked that a little bit just to drive that in a little more, and that's probably what pecked something loose, you know. That's one reason. I don't know if you've watched any of our other videos. That's one reason I like to loosen everything a little bit. Because there's always going to be one. But yeah, these are easy and quick, easy install. Should be. And then go back to this other side. Get this. I've got some I got some like nut drivers. These, and I think they're in my other shop. I know I've got them. They got to be in my other shop. So if I felt I really needed them, I'd run there and get them. The only thing I noticed when I set them lights up, it's going to block out some of my little sticker there. But, you know, be all right. So one thing about a road glide, the windshield's actually pretty easy to change. Just sitting there, really. and put that in a good safe place. And this here is the dash that I got, and quite honestly, don't remember how it's attached. Take this rubber off. That'll help things out tremendously, won't it? And this here, it just kind of pops loose. There's another video we got in here on our channel. That'd be a good time to clean that too when we get this hooked up.
Wouldn't hurt.
See this light here right quick, Mike. What we've got here is these are going to go here. And I was telling Mike, now, of course, there's no instructions with these. But I was wondering about this wire. What am I going to do with it? That was one of my biggest concerns. Is this here. It's going to have to. It's going to be weird, but we're going to see. We're going to try it. But I don't know if you do this or not. But what I do when I'm doing stuff like this, the lines we're using are right here. So probably, we might be able to run that down this little cavity and go in right there. So we'll stop right here, and we're going to assess this, and then pick right back up where we left off. All right, show you what we've got here so far. We took you offline there for a minute or two, just kind of figure this out. They plug in here, and this is nothing. Plug in one, back to the other. So we're simple. We've got the wires out to the side. Then we put everything back together. They run just like this, and we're going to run this wire along this tray out the back of the corner. That's the plan. Put it that way. So what has to happen now is put this dash back on. And Mike, we already put it on, kind of forgot about turning the video, or I did. And Mike said, let's pop back off. So we did. Anyway, that's where we're at now. You got to line that everything right back up the way it was. And there's some little snaps. And that just goes in there. There we go. So it's snapped in there. And what I like to do, I don't know about you all, and so we'll have enough here, clearance here, that we'll be able to push that wire in if need be. Why not? But once you take stuff apart like that, you can take that opportunity time real quick to clean stuff up that you hadn't seen in a long time. Something like that. And then take this gasket. I'm going to have that piece first. Yep. This little dash. See one of our videos on it. Put that in there. And it lays in there like so. And then this gasket goes, is actually what holds it in there. Pop them in there. Just like that. And be a good time to, you can't even really get down in there real good to clean that. But when the windshield's on, like a windshield in a car, you know.
Yeah, to really clean a bike, you almost have to take it apart.
Yeah, yeah. So at this point, got the windshield right here. And, you know, you could probably do this with one person, but I'm seeing right now
Use about 3.
that that could be quite aggravating with one person, I think. So we're going to do one at a time here and get the other side. All I'm going to do is for sure just get started. And we'll go from there. So I got that one started. Yeah, this is of course, no instructions whatsoever. Might be a little challenge here in a minute. What I think I'm trying to do, trying to bring this wire up. That's what I was wanting to do. Is bring the wire up above the screw. Just like that. There we go. I should be able to start one right there. There we are. So I've got them started over here. So that's a good thing. Let's see what we can do over here. And all we'll do from here on out is button it up. Just tighten everything down. You ready for a moment of truth, people? Check this out. I don't know how good it's going to look on, but man, those are bright. And you see right here. So I think you're gonna be able to well be seen. So I'll leave a link to everything, where I got these and what have you, on in the description. If you would give us a thumbs up, if you've not been on our channel, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll leave a link, like I said, to what these are and where they came from and all that. Subscribe to our channel if you would. It surely helps us out a lot. We appreciate you watching. Till next time, make sure to be good to one another.